If they have the same bottom numbers, they have both 4 at the bottom, then we look at the top and we look of which one's bigger at the top.
I learned like 4 and 15 the 4 same. Oh,
you get it?
Yeah.
So like, look, if we divided this into 4, and they both have the same bottom number, so it's 4.
I made an upside down mistake because
an upside down mistake.
Like
okay.
I thought the 4 is on the top, and then
oh no, it's at the bottom.
Down.
Okay, so which one's bigger? Good job. Alrighty, so we warmed up. Okay, so now we're gonna do. Okay, so now we're gonna begin with a fraction worksheet. I mean a word problem worksheet that
lots of papers.
And they go. This is about fractions. Do I need to get you a piece of paper to write on in case you need to write on it? You want me to get you one? Okay. You can stay there. I'll get it for you. All right.
The machine's big.
Okay. So, all right. Put your name and the date on it, please. And it's 3/10/2020.
20.
Awesome. Oh, awesome. Okay. All right. So this first word problem is going to be about comparing fractions. So let's read it. Mary and Claire brought their Barbie doll dress collection. Mary has...
I hate this.
You hate them? Okay. Mary has 20 dresses, 8 of which are pink, while Claire has 15. Oh, this is supposed to be dresses, sorry. 15 dresses, 3 of which are the same color pink. Which of the two has the greater fraction of pink dresses in their collection? So maybe you can model the fractions of Mary's pink dresses.
Mary's pink dresses. In the
And Claire's maybe. Here, look, you can do it on this piece of paper if you want. Write number 1 so we know what problem you're doing, please.
Number 1.
Yeah. So let's see. Mary has 20 dresses, 8 of which are pink. So what would be the fraction of that?
Number 9.
Well, let's, you can draw a number line if you want, but, let's do this first, okay? So, Mary has 20 dresses, 8 of which are pink. So it would be the fraction of that. If 8 are pink...
8 over 20.
Okay, so write that down. Mary,
8 over
20, and put her name by it. You can put Mary so you know. Okay, good. And then what's the fraction of Claire? Claire has 15 dresses, 3 of which are the same color pink. So what would be the fraction of that?
3 over... 3 over 5.
3 over... Claire has 15 dresses. She has 15 in all, and 3 of them are the same color pink. What's the fraction?
$11 over 15.
Look,
3 over
you see how Mary has 20, but 8 are pink? Claire has 15, but 3 are the pink color. So it would be the fraction of that.
3 over 15.
Okay, so I write that for Claire. Okay, now do you know how to simplify fractions? Huh?
Is that the number one?
No, this is how you simplify it. Like, can you make this fraction smaller? Do you know how to do that?
I learned it. I learned it, but I forgot.
Okay, listen.
With
So
that thing, did you learn that in school?
okay, so 8 out of 20. So 8 can be divided by
Or two?
2 or 4. Yeah, so 4. 8 can be divided by 4. And 20 can be divided
10.
by 4.
10.
It can, if you whatever you divide by this number has to be divided by this number too. So it'd be 20 divided by 4 too. So that's how you simplify, and then you solve it. So 8 divided by 4 is
2.
And then 20 divided by 4 is
Equals 2. Okay, divided by 4 is...
awesome. Okay, so do you think we can simplify this fraction? 3 can't be divided by anything but 1 and 3. So can 15 be divided by 1 and 3? 3?
3 and 1.
3 and 1. Well, let's do 3. So 3, write it out like you wrote this one out. 3 divided by 3.
Divided by 3 equals something.
And then look like you did. See how you could divide both of these by 4? So you could divide this by 3 too.
Okay.
So 3 divided by 3 is what?
1.
Let me see that. Is 1. And then 15 divided by 3 is what?
5.
5. Awesome. So can you tell me which one is greater than? So if you had, so looking at these now, so this is the final answer, 2/5 and 1/5. Which one is greater? Can you write it out? Maybe you can help by writing it out like 2/5 and then 1/5. 2/5 is greater? Okay. And how do you know that?
Because if there's the same number at the bottom, the big number that is in the top is there.
High five. Awesome job. Okay, so can you write that right here? Which of the two has the greater fraction of pink dresses in their collection? So which one has the greater fraction?
This one.
So who is that? Mary. Mary has the greater fraction of the pink dresses.
Mary has a greater fraction.
Can you write that in a complete sentence?
Mary has a greater than Clary.
Awesome. All right.
I wrote Mary big because Mary has a big fraction and Clary tiny.
All right.
Can I have that back?
After this. Okay. All right. So let's read number 2. Luke saw 9 books about the solar system and its 9 planets. They were thick books, and so he thought that 2 of these would be enough. What fraction of the solar system books did he borrow?
2 out of 9.
Okay, how do you know that?
Wait, 2. Because he said 2 of these books would be enough.
Okay, so
He borrowed 2.
okay, so write that down. What's the fraction of the solar system that he borrowed?
2 out of 2 out of
You had it right. 2 out of
9.
So just write that in the
2 out of 9.
awesome.
There you go.
Okay, so can you write it right here?
Is he or she?
Luke is a he.
over 9 books. Solar system book.
Awesome. Do you think you can model this problem for me on number 2? Draw like a model. And draw it right here on this paper. Model 2 out of 9.
Sure. Like this?
Yeah. Awesome job. Alrighty. Let's go on to this problem. Gilly and Luke found a book on Greek mythology and the 12 most important Greek myths.
Greek mythology.
Mythology?
It's just about space.
No, it's about like the Greek gods.
Oh.
So they found a book on it and the 12 most important Greek myths. The book had 120 pages. Gilly and Luke read 40 pages of the book. What fraction of the book did they read?
40 out of 120.
Awesome job. Can you write that down?
40 out of 120. Gilly is he, right?
Whatever you want. It could be a he or a she.
He read this much pages.
Okay. Do you think you could simplify that fraction?
Yep.